Hello educators, in this video I'll be showing you how to make use of our vocabulary generator on AiTeacha platform. Our vocabulary generator deals with terminologies. It helps teachers to generate specialized words for students to learn terms in a particular subject. This is how our dashboard looks like. You click on the AI tools, then you scroll down. Here is our vocabulary generator. You fill in the form, the topic, the subject, the grade, the country curriculum, the curriculum type, the preferred language. I'm going to use the autofill form. And don't forget, our country curriculum does not only based on Nigeria. We have different country curriculum, so you pick your own and also your own curriculum type. In Nigeria, we use NEDEC. And also, if you want to upload a file, maybe a particular page in your textbook, you can also do that. The AI will generate the vocabulary for you based on what you've uploaded. Then you click on submit. Within few seconds, AI teacher will generate our vocabulary for us. Now, everyday vocabulary for young learners. So these vocabularies are for early years. The vocabulary list: friend, food, the meaning, the example, that is the sentences, the activities to be done by your pupils. So with this, it also makes your students it makes their knowledge to be more broadened. So I'm going to generate another one for higher level, that is for grade 10. This time I'm going for reproductive system, human reproductive system. The biology. The grade, return country curriculum, Nigeria, curriculum type, NEDEC, preferred language. We are going to pick in English. We have different languages here. So you pick your choice, then you click submit. Now, our vocabularies are ready. Vocabulary words and definition. Words, definition, example sentence. Can you see? If you could give your students this and also give them activities to be done. So you can save to history. You can also download as PDF, download as Word. You can also edit with Zyra. So with this, your students' knowledge are more broadened. They have more ideas in which is going to help them, even while you are teaching them in the class. Don't forget to sign up on AiTeacha platform to explore how our platform works. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.